Hey guys, what's going on? Taylor here with DOS Parts. We're out at Toronto Motorsports Park, aka Cayuga. We're doing a nice little shakedown on our little boy Judas here.
Judas on the beat, so it's not nice.
So far it's been running great. Tires are great, suspension's on point. So we're gonna see what breaks first and what doesn't break and go from there.
Who wants to come for an outlap? Hell yeah.
Watch out for that.
Come here. I'm gonna hit him. This thing is a sick track car.
Yeah?
It brakes really well.
Like the way it feels so far?
It feels good. It just needs that crank sensor not to drop.
A few inches later.
There it is.
That was it?
Yep. That's a dropping crank signal immediately. Love that. Definitely has no power. And it's on limp mode now. That's beautiful. This is what we have.
This is all we get?
That's all we get.
Jesus.
That's so annoying.
You're just gonna keep fucking pulling that?
Yeah, because it's getting hot in the crank sensor. It's very common failure for that. Immediately, as soon as I floor it, right off the rib, that's
Not good.
immediately entering the track floor it. Lit mode. Well, we lost the crank signal. We decided to immediately, as soon as entering the track, it died. So that means no go. No go anywhere, not even anywhere. Look at it, take a look, there it is. Engine light's on, it's still running somehow, but yeah, we're gonna have to put a new one in. Good start to the first track day.
Okay, he's coming in clutch today. So first time out, we've got a couple of issues. We keep running into a crank sensor issue. So essentially, the crank and the cams are like, what's going on? So the engine cuts power and we can't push it. This guy literally just drove another, 3 hours?
Pretty much.
3 hours back to the shop, goes and grabs all the tools, 2 crank sensors just in case. And Brody's just hammering it out right now. So hopefully we can get this fixed. We still got a little bit of time. Got almost an hour left of the day for the track. So we've got tons of time, realistically, to test this thing and really see what happens. But it's going to be a good day. Car. Oh, just like that. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah, man. Oh, that's really in there, man. Oh, that's really. Oh, hi. Welcome. This is me. Yes. No, I need a light though. Hi. Yes. Sorry. Welcome back.
Hi, yes. This is where the part where we're trying to fix the car, and I'm getting very dirty doing it. Yes. Oh, wait. What is this? This is not a 30. Oh, it is. No, it needs to be bigger than that.
Bigger than that.
We need a 6.
6, so it's 30.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I could probably get it out with a T30. Yeah. Okay, I can make it maybe work.
Yeah? Oh, hold on. I've got a wobble, like a flexi boy. That might work as an extension. Stepping on your feet and stuff. No problem, no problem, no
Step
problem.
on me.
Step on me.
Oh, I know. They're really difficult to get out of the block, usually.
Pain in my ash holes.
But it is warm.
Uzbekistan. Pain in the ash holes.
Hit myself in the face.
It's under the sauce.
It's under the sauce.
Where's the cheese?
Where's the cheese? It's under the sauce.
I'm Italian. I don't like this pizza. It's Chicago
It's
style.
Chicago
It's
style.
Chicago style.
It's under the sauce.
It's under the sauce.
It's under the sauce.
Where's the cheese?
Where's the
Under
crank
sauce.
sensor? It's under the sauce.
Where's the cheese?
It's under the sauce.
There's no cheese on it.
It's under the sauce.
Oh, I got the bolt.
Hell yeah, dude. Brother, bear. Let me take my socks off. I'll use my feet.
What did he say?
Oh, dude, my fucking... I'm not gonna say it.
You're not gonna say it?
No.
Don't you put that on me, Ricky Bobby.
Don't you
Don't
put
you
that on
put
me.
that on me.
Don't you...
Shout at him.
Oh, come on. Yes.
You got it? Yeah, dude.
It's like I've done this before.
All right, there's that. Here's a clean one.
Okay. All right.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, man.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Hell
So.
yeah, man.
So now.
Congratulations.
So now I'm going to install the crank
My dad
sensor.
hasn't yelled at me yet. I've been holding the flashlight for him. I'm doing good.
You do.
So good.
You've been doing just perfect. Okay.
Dad didn't yell at me.
Dad didn't
so
yell at
it's
me.
okay. Hell yeah, there we go. Merry motherfucking Christmas. I don't know why you didn't hear that. Oh, hot. Oh. Yeah.
Get Brody away. Get Brody away.
Yeah.
Give him a bite.
Oh, you got ketchup in your hair. Pair of shoes, 12.50.
Pair of shoes, 12.50.
Meow.
Oh my god. Give me this.
We're not gonna have rad fans in a second. Okay, ten's tight. Do you need the light? Just give me the light. I think so. Yeah. Crank sensor's replaced. Brody said that the car is super cold right now, so his hands definitely don't hurt. Yeah, we're gonna see in a short time here to see if it actually is keeping the signal. If it is, then we'll get some good data to go on to see if there's something else wrong with the vehicle.
Hell yeah. Can't wait for it. A little tire rub there. A little suspension not keeping up. Too much power. Starting to meet a little bit of traffic. Sorry. There you go. It's just so good. It's so good. It's fucking good. Let's go. I'm not gonna dive because this guy is gonna be on the inside. Dude. Too much. Oh, a little too much for that. I don't know where.
A little less weight.
Yeah, well, it doesn't even need more power. I'm telling you, this thing's a fucking weapon.
It is. It's like Monu's car, honestly. A little less grip, but little trail brake.
We'll try and keep a little bit of heat in the tires for the next
We'll have the hot spot.
Yeah. Imagine just giving someone a point by.
This guy's on the brakes a lot.
Yeah, he's way
Oh,
too
he's
much.
left foot braking for sure.
True.
Watch that tire lift. He's tapping. Oh, keep it on.
A little over.
Keep it on. Or is it?
Yeah, you want
You can take it. Yeah. Seriously.
I'll whip it. Is it like Monu's?
Better.
Really?
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Dude, it has so much brakes and grip. It's fucking insane. So we made a certified gripper.
Yeah.
Use all the track. Holy fuck. Oh, God. Holy shit. It's all the Assetto Corsa? Yeah. This thing is actually great. Holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy shit! Oh my god! I feel sick, bro. You done? I think so. Okay. Shit! I'll do a cool down. This is like,
epically successful track day. Once we sorted out the crank sensor on this thing, certified ripper. Literally went destined to the scrapyard to, I would confidently say low 120s here at TMP. This thing is, I'm at a loss for words. The braking is ridiculous. The handling is ridiculous. I felt kind of sick because it was so fast. So needless to say, when we actually do tuning and dial this in even more, this is going to be an absolute machine. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one.